Hello and welcome to another episode, continuing on from our last episode here in
Urunga Tourist Park.
Yes, 20 minutes south of Coffs Harbour. We've had a bit of rough weather, but by the looks of it today, it's looking pretty good. Just as we're starting to head inland. We're going to be, on this episode, we're going to be heading inland a little bit, chasing the Waterfall Way.
Yep.
Which is it's about 150 k's, is it?
It's 185 kilometres. It runs from Coffs Harbour to Armadale. So
Chasing waterfalls.
yeah, pretty much. So we will see what we can get to today, basically.
Yep, but the weather is looking awesome for now.
The forecast isn't though.
No, the
so
forecast is all over the place.
I don't know what's going on.
But after that, I guess as usual as well, we'll see what we see along the way. But try and find a free camp too.
Yeah.
We haven't had a free camp in a couple of days, so it'd be good to find a free camp. But let's get into it. First job is water. We need to find some water, don't we? Because we didn't fill up at the caravan park for some unknown reason. We didn't have water and power, did we?
No.
No. So we've got to find some water along the way, fill up the tanks. That's about it.
That is it, yeah.
Get some dinner out. Let's get into it and get on out of here. Head towards the first waterfall, hopefully.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Well, first waterfall.
Yeah.
Yep. And it's not on the maps or anything. It's just a little pull-in bay with a table and chairs there. But Newell Falls. I think this is just it. Oh yeah, there you go. It's a beautiful view. We're up high, so
Yeah.
the road up here so far has pretty much been vertical. But there's no signs or anything saying no caravans, no trailers. There's horse trailers and horse floats going through. Here comes a little camper. So I think we're going to be good. There you go, first little waterfall.
Like how it goes.
Yeah, it comes down through the road. So it looks like there's a plaque. Just, can you see it?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to walk across there, but for some reason they've got a plaque over there. It must be an old one or something, but no other information here. Well, that's the first one that's not even on the list, Newell Falls. But awesome view. I'd love to get the drone up, but we're not allowed to in New South Wales parks. You got to apply for approvals on every different little stop that you want to fly, which is makes it a bit it makes it a bit tricky for us because we move so quick. But anyway, let's keep on moving, see what we can see on the next ones.
Yeah.
Next stop is an actual stop. Forget the name of it, but it's a stop on the Waterfall Way. So let's get into it. so busy.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. We didn't think, really. When you're on the road, you forget what day it is.
Stop number 1.
Stop number 1, Dorrigo National Park. Not a lot of caravan parking. It's only sort of that little one space there, but we made it work. And what's the go here? Skywalk?
Yeah. Skywalk. I don't know how long it is though. I haven't read anything about it. It looks cool though. Pictures look nice.
Pictures look really good. We'll get in here, check it out. Alright, Dorrigo Rainforest. Skywalk. Entry by donation, $2. $2 donation. I thought donations were just a donation, but it looks like it's $2. Skywalk. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Didn't even see that.
I need your face. Smile, hun. That is not a smile.
Just have that gone. Have that gone, then you'll be able to smile.
Do you want me to do one for you? That would be amazing, thank you.
What do you reckon? It's a pretty special spot, isn't it? Gondwana Rainforest of Australia. Skywalk.
Coming.
God, it's beautiful, that. So we've rushed this one a little bit because there's two of us just pulled up just as we got here. So by the looks, they're all starting to come out now. But what a spot! There's stunning views from here. Kookaburra over there laughing at Soch.
Have you ever thought they might be laughing at you?
Let's go, eh? Let's beat these people.
Yeah.
Be a beautiful picture. The Wonga Walk is closed between the Glade and Crystal Shower Falls.
It's a shame we can't do it.
No good, it is a bit of a hike.
3 hours.
The main waterfall here, Crystal Shower Falls, is still open, but the track to it is closed. There's like a little detour, well, it's not little. 7.4 kilometre return. Pass. Yeah, we didn't come here to see this waterfall, we really came to see the Skywalk, yeah. It was 100% worth it, that one. But anyway.
It's getting very busy, let's go.
Yep, we got to beat that 2 of us, get out of here, head towards town. Get a cuppa in town, eh?
Yeah.
Small little town. But no shortage of information, and a whole information centre as well in here. And a little cafe.
That guy was building.
Oh yeah. You like them, don't you?
Well, they all have some water. They're not usually bad at the moment. Yeah.
Alrighty, just passing through the small town of Dorrigo, Soch has spotted a little calf. What do you reckon?
Happy days.
Happy days. Coffee and a bite to eat, and then we'll keep on moving, but this is on the waterfall way as well, so.
Belly is popping.
Belly is popping. That was beautiful, that. Nice little family owned and fresh local truffles. Everything was just beautiful in there. But we're off to the next little spot. If she ever comes. I think it's Dangar Falls. We're going to check that out quickly. How'd you go?
Should I get a cute picture of it? Because it's quite cute, isn't it? Do you reckon they live in there too?
Yeah.
At the back?
Yeah, it was the couple. He was the cook at the front with the baby. Righto, Dangar Falls, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Danger.
Is it Danger?
Dangar Falls.
Danger.
Oh, it looks dark over there.
I know, I reckon
We're gonna get a bit of rain.
a bit.
It's very dark. So Dangar Falls, not Dangar Falls. Another one that we've been saying wrong. But this is a little bit off the track of
Waterfall Way.
Waterfall Way, yes. It's only about 2 kilometres off the track, but it looks like a good little spot, so we're going to check it out before this rain comes in, which looks like it's going to come in, just our luck.
It was 20 minutes walking track or a viewing point.
Viewing point's just here, eh?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Let's see if it's worth it.
Right, 20 minutes to Falls, hey?
You can hear it.
You can hear it. I'm with you. Oh, you can hear the thunder too.
We're not walking to the falls. I'm not getting stuck in that.
We can certainly hear it. What do you reckon? That's a good one, isn't it? People swimming down there. You can see all the little falls at the top there too. Yeah, there is. That's a cool little spot, that one. How'd you go? Get a good one?
Trying.
Oh, there's loads of flies. Flies everywhere. Very cool little spot, this one. What do you reckon? Keep on moving? Yep. Righto, let's get out of here.
There's your jacket. The toilet stuff was leaking.
Ah, you're
from where I
joking.
put it, you know, the blue stuff.
Yeah, up the top.
Yeah, so I had to change the position of that and wipe it all. And as soon as I opened the cupboard to put it in a different cupboard, all things flew out of it. And the fridge is flashing on battery, is that good? Not gas.
I'll have a look.
What's it meant to be on while we're driving?
Battery.
Yeah, it's flashing
I'll have a look. So contact cleaner might help it a little bit, but I might have to get a dedicated Anderson plug for the fridge. Just might pay off a little bit better, I think. All right, fridge sorted. Is this your idea of Waterfall Way?
No, freezing now.
There's definitely water falling from the sky, and a load of thunder as well. You can hear that in the background, but fridge, I don't know what's going on with that fridge. It's a 3-way fridge, and we seem to have a lot of problems with the connections on the, well, just the 12-volt connections in general. I'd love to get rid of that fridge and just get a complete 12-volt compressor fridge, but they're so expensive. Works perfect on power and on gas, just the 12-volt side of it. No idea what's going on with it.
It's cold enough today anyway. So.
Yeah, it is. It's 13 degrees. On the Waterfall Way, 10 kilometres away from the next stop.
Won't be right. Getting out from me, I don't know. Freezing.
Every now and then you can hear the thunder. But beautiful country. Going past loads of little creeks and little waterfalls that you can see from the side of the road, but just you can't pull up anywhere with a caravan, and I guess you can't really pull up anywhere with the rain as well. It's all muddy on the side of the road. But let's get to this next one. Hopefully it's only a short walk or a little lookout, something like that. So our next planned stop with this weather was supposed to be Ebor Falls, but road closed. It closed it just down there to both, I think it's the lower and the upper falls, which is a bit of a pain. We did see a couple of signs on the way here that it was closed, a couple of those VMB boards on the side of the road. But it is what it is. I don't think we would have really got to see that much with all this rain about. But still, by the photo, look at the photos. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Pretty amazing, the Ebor Falls, I think it is. And you're checking out the locals over there. Loads of kangaroos knocking about. Just a beautiful little town, this one. As you're coming through it, you go over the top of a little, is it Guy Fawkes River? Guy Fawkes Creek or something like that. And apparently they're catching a load of trout through there. So, yeah, cool little spot, but that rain's just coming right down. And it's all closed off. Keep on going, eh? On to the next one. So we're at the next stop, Wollomombi Falls, I think it is, or Wollomombi Lookout, I'm not too sure, but that last little bit of road, it was just roadworks, and it was a gravel road. As soon as we hit the roadworks, the rain stopped as well, and this is just a nightmare. Have a look at this.
What for you?
I was hoping the rain was going to clean sort of all the salt and all the crap off it from being on the coast, but it's just gone from one extreme to the other. And we still haven't got water yet. We need to get water.
Yeah, Armadale.
Armadale, we're getting water? Righto. But yeah, that's a bit of a pain, that. Poor old thing. Righto, we'll check out these falls, but there's a nice big parking area, plenty of tables, chairs, toilets, barbecues, the lot, and we're the sort of the only one here. Two little cars there, but I think they've done the full big hike. Cold.
One extreme to the other.
Yeah, so through all that, the rain that we passed through, it dropped down to I think 10 or 11 degrees in the car, outside the car as we're driving through it, and it's back up to 20 degrees now.
Doesn't feel like
Doesn't feel like it? No, still a bit nippy.
it feels about 15.
Feels 15, there you go. Weather woman safe. Wollomombi Falls, Oxley Wild Rivers National Park. So there's a fair few things to see here, isn't there?
Yeah, there's loads.
Loads, there's a couple of different walks, trails.
Oh no. Just about driven away.
Main Falls Lookout, Checks Lookout, Chandler Viewpoint. I think there's another walk down there, or a main trail. But here we are. Oh, check that out.
It's raining.
It is raining. Wow, there's loads to see just around here. And we're only doing this waterfall way, but there's loads to see in this whole area. So the plan is we're going to check out Main Falls. 200 metres up here. Oh, it doesn't look like it's running. But this is pretty cool. Big old deck. That incredible view. Oh, it's not even running. It's not even flowing, the waterfall. What a ripper view, but just spewing. It's not even running. By the looks of it, it runs through, up through there, and maybe another one there. But that's an incredible lookout. Quickly check out this next one, because I think the rain's starting to come in, and Sosha's already run back to the car, but that's an awesome lookout, that one. If it was flowing. Oh wow, that's a ripper view. No water, spewing, but still ripper view. Here it comes. There was one other little lookout just up there, 450 metres, but I'm just not going to make it. It's starting to come down, so hopefully it cleans the car and caravan right up. Here's hoping, fingers crossed. What's your thoughts?
There's no water.
No, it was all dry. Beautiful big lookout, but
Nothing
just all
there.
dry. Yeah.
I reckon if it was flowing, to be like Barron Falls in Cairns. You've been there like 5 times, so don't tell me you don't remember it.
What's the biggest single drop waterfall that we saw?
Oh, Wollomombi.
Wollomombi.
Yeah.
That's what that reminds me of.
No,
No?
I disagree.
Oh. Each to their own. Yeah, it looks like it though, doesn't it?
No,
It does.
No, it doesn't.
It does look like it, and you know I'm right. Righto, that's us done here. Next stop is Armadale for water, but that's pretty much the end of Waterfall Way, Armadale, and we've seen one waterfall, which was a little detour off Waterfall Way. Yeah, plenty of little creeks and little rivers, which you can see a couple of little waterfalls as well as you're driving along, but there's just nowhere really to stop with a caravan, and all that rain as well. Don't really fancy jumping out when it's bucketing down. But anyway, we'll get on out of here, out of Wollomombi, and it's dry waterfall.
Yeah.
Stunning views, but just dry waterfalls, or dry fall. But let's get on out of here. Head towards Armadale.
Get some water.
Get some water, find ourselves a free camp. That'll do us.
Yeah.
So we've made it into Armadale and we're racing against that weather. There's a couple of little spots to get water, but it is down some sort of narrow streets and sort of have to go hunting for them. Whereas on the way straight into Armadale here, there's this little paid water station, $1 for 100 litres. Why not just pull straight into that and do that? So that's what we're doing. Make it a nice quick job, even though we've got a bit of water going there, spilling out, but that's going to do us. Hopefully that won't take long. And we'll go find a free camp, but pretty good. $1 for 100 litres, can't really complain with that. Drinking water too. Well, this is our camp for the night. We wanted a free camp, but we didn't end up at one. We ended up at a little town of Bendemeer, a little village of Bendemeer, which is a $5 camp right along the river here. But the more we looked into the free camps, the more muddier and crappier they looked with all this rain hanging about. And by the sounds of it, and on the forecast, we're going to get a bit of it. So we bit the bullet, paid $5 to try and get something that's not going to be all muddy and sloppy. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays good. But yeah, $5 donation camp right on a little river. And apparently this little river does get platypuses in, or has platypus in it. So if this rain holds off just enough, we might get down there and have a little look around. But there it is, our little camp for the night. Well, we tried to have a look around, but that rain's just come in now, and yeah, a bit of a nightmare. Managed to get the drone up though, have a little look around and just see how much rain was surrounding us, but I think we're in for a bit of a wet old night tonight. You right in there?
Yeah.
Nice and warm. We have got the diesel heater on and we're just, yeah, relaxing. Hopefully this rain will pass, but I don't think it will all night.
Done. Ready for bed.
Alrighty, it is fresh in the morning. A cold night last night, wasn't it?
Mm.
Here in Bendemeer. Had the diesel heater on, turned it off for some reason, and then got a bit nippy. Had to switch it back on early in the morning. But it looks like the weather's cleared up. Well, it's still overcast, but it's not raining, I'll put it that way. So we'll get down a little bit down here, have a little walk around, have a look at this little Bendemeer $5 donation camp. See if we can spot a platypus. But I think that's probably going to do us. We might even have a little look around town. It's not that big of a town, but might as well have a little look around before we leave, before we head off. I don't even think other people turned up during the night. Couldn't hear the road, so that was good. Good little spot. See any platypus?
No.
Ducks. Alright, so they got this beautiful big park area, which is just up the other end of where you can camp. But tables, chairs, barbecues, and this little, well, I guess area you can get right up against the river and go fishing, swimming, whatever you want to do. But we've come to see platypus. Have you spotted any?
No.
On Wiki Camps, they did say that you come up this end, you can occasionally see a platypus, but looks like there's just ducks over there. And they do get trout as well in here, apparently. No platypus by the looks. Well, there's some sort of lizard on that rock out there. No platypus. There he goes. Want some mushrooms?
Pass.
Pass? Probably not that good for you, those ones. No platypus. Yet. No platypus yet. Any platypus? Hometown of Josh Hazelwood. Know who he is?
Cricket player.
Oh, you just read the sign then, didn't
No,
you? Righto, that's us done in Bendemeer. Tiny little town, little village actually. It's probably only, what, 20 odd houses in there. Pub, couple of churches. And that's about it. Rodeo ground. And that nice little donation campsite, which is still, I've said it a couple of times in this episode, I think, if it makes the final cut, but in my eyes a donation's an option thing, but a lot of places are going that way, saying it's a donation but you've got to pay. But anyway, that's our episode done on Waterfall Way. Not that we saw many waterfalls, but we had a beautiful drive through the countryside, the is it the New England Highway?
Yeah.
Yep. And now we're off to Tamworth. I think that's going to be the next episode.
Yeah, I don't know what we're doing there. If we're staying.
No. Yeah, we're not sure. It is Sunday.
Yeah.
So not too sure if anything's going to be open. But anyway, stay tuned for that next episode, Tamworth. We'll see you then. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
We're going to be... No, I don't like any of it.
Oh my goodness.
20 minutes south of Coffs Harbour. Let's do that again. Rainforest Walk is by donation. So it's Dangar, not danger, Dangar.
Yeah, because danger is with an E, not an A.
Ah.
Gordo's Coffee.
Gordo's Coffee. We'll park right out the front of Gordo's Coffee. Anyway, let's check out Wollomombi. Is it Wollomombi?
I think you made that up, I don't know.
Wollomombi Falls, I believe it is. Beautiful. What? Who?
Chandler Falls.
Well, that's it for...
Waterfall Way.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for Waterfall Way.